Alright, guys, here we go. 3270 Tristar Mini. 3270 Harambe 2. Batson 6. Cole 3. Batson 5 more. 11 total. Moya 2. Chun-Li 3. Chester 4. Janine 4. Cobalt 2. And Brian with 1. Alright, Brian. Alright, once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Alright, Janine, you're on top. Watson on the bottom 5 times. Group you guys together. Okay. Alright, Sam, Panthers, Boys, Lions, Packers, Yags, Saints, Jets, Eagles, Steelers, Chargers, Skins, Brian, Chiefs, Chester, Bengals, Browns, Giants, Raiders, Chun-Li, Bills, Bears, Seahawks, Corey, Falcons, Ravens, Corey, Falcons, Ravens, Cole, Ravens, Dolphins, Bucks, Harambe, Vikings, Titans, Janine, Cards, Broncos, Texans, Pats, Moya, Colts, and Niners. Patchy Poos. Premium pack has 4 left. 4 in the premium pack, 7 in the hockey jersey, 14 in premier players, 13 in playbook, and 18 left in plates and patches. So all of these are super close. Okay. Alright, guys, no trades. Here we go. Good luck, good luck, good luck. I got 5 on me. 5 on me. Nice, Lamar Miller for the Houston, Atlanta, Vegas Texans. Played foosball at University of Miami, the U. 4th round, 97th pick, second team All ACC, starting round back for the Texans. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas, JSA cert, nice silver ink. Lamar Miller. Lamar Miller. Oh, my screen went out. Push that back in. Okay, come on. Come on, bro. Oh, there it is. Alright, Houston Texans, here we go. Janine. There you go, Janine. 5 times for the 5 times. Sam's guaranteed a spot in the bonus breaky poo. Rosie, Jolene. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Sam. Alright, Sam, 3270. 3270. 3270 Tristar Mini. And that is a free spot in the Tristar bonus break, guys, for those who are new. If you buy 10 or more, I can guarantee a spot as well. Alright, Gold Rush Value Basketball up next. Any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks.